Hello, my name is Nadir Habib. In this video, I will teach you what is Clawdbot. Clawdbot is an open source personal AI assistant that run locally on your machines to messaging app like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, and also you can connect your models like OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropy to handle chats, voice, XYZ. So let's get started. How I deployed Clawdbot in my local machine. That is my Clawdbot I deployed and I query he and the chat models give me the answer he how what is in your mind. So how I deployed in my machines. So let's get started. So first of all, when you go here on the Clawdbot is an open source AI assistant that handle any many chat apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, Message, and XYZ apps and airs models, Anthropy, OpenAI, Google's, and productivity tools you can integrate with them, and music tools and audio tools, and tools automation browser, Chrome. It's completely AI assistants. You can also ask and you can run that locally. Which server do you want to deploy? If you use railway, you can deploy it on railway. That is the documentation. And if you want to deploy on the render, you can deploy here. For the documentation is the complete documentation is provided here on the Cloudbot docs. And because it's a personal memory, they capture each and every chat queries, and browser control, full system access, and skills plugin you can also integrate them. So first of all, I provide that cheat code sheet in my descriptions. You just so first of all, you run and download your Ubuntu in your local machine. So first of all, you when you open the Ubuntu account, Ubuntu dashboard, you just copy that command and paste here. And when you paste here, that work like that. I also run that code. You see that I run that code, and after that the Cloudboard is working. And if any error come, you can also check that Cloudbot doctor fix, and again you can start Cloudbot. And again, if you feel any error, you can again restart that command. You can use when you verified your Cloudbot script, you can use that command. And when you see your Cloudbot is completely done, you can use Cloudbot dashboard. You see that is your Cloudbot URL is see here. You see that I pick the command cloudbot dash. They provide me my dashboard URL. When you see that terminal is working, they provide you some questions and answer like which model you are using, provide me APIs, which tools you are using here, what's connect your app like WhatsApp, Telegram, because in this video I connect my WhatsApp through QR code scanner. So you see that is my https dashboard URL. Come here, I just copied it and push in my web. So you see that I connect my, that is our view, the gateway token and URLs, and which instance means your apps connected, and the sessions, how many sessions you automate your executions like. And you can see that is my WhatsApp is connected, detect emojis, polls, reactions, and message, but I not enable that because I don't want to send any message to now. In this video I just guide you how you can deploy it. The document of that I mentioned in the description, you just see pick that code and paste in your Ubuntu terminal. You can use your VPS servers from the Hostinger VPS, and here you can run that, but I deployed my locally machine on the download Ubuntu account. Here I deployed my on local machine, not I purchased my Hostinger VPS plan. So if any error come, you check that code, and if you need a dashboard URL, you pick that command. In this video, I just guide you how you can deploy it and how to fix your Clawdbot errors. If you need any help, you can contact me on my WhatsApp community. Thanks for watching. If you need any custom automation demo video, you can comment me, and the next video I completely make for that you.